What's up, guys? Today is Monday, and I think the market has closed already and it has opened for a new day. And I just want to do a market review of Monday's price action. I want to do a market review of Monday's price action, and we'll see how it goes. So, this is the daily chart. This is GBPUSD daily chart, and this is the daily chart GBPUSD. So, what am I going to be doing now? So the first thing is I'll be looking at the daily candle. The daily candle. How did the daily candle close? It closed like an indecisive candle. And what did price do? I think first of all, price came to this gap. It filled this gap here because there's a little slight gap here. I don't know. There's a slight gap here, very small gap. Price filled it, came down to this OB and came up again and also. But let's go to the four hour. Let's go to the 4 hour and let's see what happened. So coming into today, let me use the 1 hour to delineate today's today is Monday 29th. Monday. Yeah. So let me go back to the 4 hour. So on Monday, which is today, price opened at this place and it came down. It came down to this order block here, this 4 hour order block here. Price came down to this 4 hour order block, this exact candle here. Price came back down to it and it started going up. Like I said it in the live trade that I took, that I was expecting for me to know that okay, this is a very good order block, like an A plus order block. I was expecting price to take it out then reverse, for me to be sure that that is an A plus order block. Price should take it out and reverse. So upon doing this, I will be expecting bullishness. You understand? I'll be expecting bullishness going into the 1 hour. Going into the 1 hour, the London session. The London session started around 2 a.m. This is 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. This is 5 a.m. Yeah. So let's look at what happened in the London session. Let's look at what happened in the London session. The London session didn't really do anything. It didn't really do anything per se. The only thing I can see that okay, probably the London session did was this high that was taken. This high was taken, which is also a previous 4 hour candle high. It was taken to the upside, then it started dropping. But I can't see any reason why to take a trade from after price took this high. There was no entry. If I was looking for an entry, I'll be looking for an entry at this gap here in conjunction with this pin back candle or another block, which is also another block. So I'll be expecting a reaction here. But let's go drop down to the 15 minutes. Let's drop down to the 15 minutes. Okay. So I think the 15 minutes is more clearer. The 15 minutes is more clearer. This is 1:30. Yeah. This is supposed to be okay, better. So going into today, this is New York midnight. Going into today, price came down. I think it filled this gap here. Price filled a gap here. Very small gap. Very, very small. Yeah. Very small gap. Price filled it and came back down. So one of the things I know used to happen most of the time from my back test is when price fills a gap and creates an OB, I would always wait for that price to come back to an OB. So when price filled this gap here and it came back down, created an OB, I'll be waiting for price to fill the order block. It filled this order block and it started dropping. This blue line is for for the 4 hour OB, but this OB has not formed yet. This OB has not formed yet. So this is liquidity. Liquidity here. This is liquidity here. And this is also liquidity here. Let me use this one. Equal. So it's more like a market maker sell model. It's more like a market maker sell model. Consolidation, smart money reversal here. It's more like a market maker sell model. So price fill this gap, then fill this gap, touched this OB, then it started dropping. This will be my target. And if you can see here, this is a trend line here, which is also it's not really, I don't know, but I still feel it's a trend line though. But regardless of it, this is also a low. So the lows are stacking already. After price took out this high, the lows are stacking already. Lows, equal lows, they are stacking already. So after price took it out during London session, the next thing is New York session. And I took a trade during New York session. Which I documented, and I should have, I don't know, I'm posting it as I'm making this video, so I don't know if it has posted yet. So price touched the 4 hour OB that I highlighted in the beginning of the video. It touched the 4 hour OB, went to the upside, this is premium, this is discount, came back down to discount price, filled a gap. And the reason why I took this buy was because I was expecting something like this. Price came back down to, I was expecting price to go back to premium. This is premium, this is discount. So I was expecting price to go back down to premium and start dropping. You understand? That was what I was expecting. So immediately price filled this gap here in discount. I was expecting bullishness already. I don't want my this thing to be too dirty. I was expecting bullishness already, and price filled this gap, filled this OB. Immediately price filled this gap, it went up, created an OB, an order block, touched the order block, then it started going to the upside. Where did I take my entry from? I took my entry from the 5 minutes. Yeah, this was my entry on the 5 minutes. The 15-minute order block, this is it. So I know in the video I posted, I said I was looking for price to close above this candle, this black candle, then I would enter. So immediately price closed above it, I took the buy from here. And my stop loss was, I like putting my stop loss around in a, how do I put it, in a single figure. I don't like the 3.8 stop loss. I like it 3 pip stop loss, 4 pip stop loss, 15, 16, like that. I don't like 11.7, 12.2. I don't like it like that. So as that, when I want to put my stop loss, it was 4 pips, but it was very close to this low. It was very, very close to this low. So I added 1 pip to it, making it 5 pips. So I added 1 pip to it. And price reacted from this order block, went up. It reacted from this order block too. I should have taken another entry here, but as you all know, I just finished. I was in a losing streak for like 3 weeks, so I didn't want to take any more risk. So I just use 0.5% and target to make 1.5%. That is 3RR. That was what I did. So there was no need for me to take extra risk on the trade again. So price hits this other block, then move to the upside, came back, hit the other block again. Let me send this thing to the back. It's disturbing me. Send to the back. Better. So let me lock it. So price, haven't I locked it? Okay. Okay, still going to show. So anyways, price hit this other block, then started going to the upside, and this was my 3RR. Let me unlock this. This was my 3RR. And as you can see, guys, immediately price hits this 4 hour order block, or immediately price came into premium. Let me go back to the 4 hour. Let me go back to the 4 hour. From this high to this low. So immediately, I think it will be on the 15 minutes. Let me just use the 15 minutes. Yeah. So immediately price came into premium. This is premium here. This is discount here. Immediately price came into premium. I think it touched the other block. I don't know. I don't even care. But immediately price it came into premium. It started dropping again. It dropped for a while, and so I think most of the time we should always learn how to do a top down analysis. I have so many reasons why I take trades, and what gave me more confidence to take this particular trade was the way the 4 hour candle, as at when I was doing a top down analysis, the way the 4 hour candle printed on the other block, the way this 4 hour candle hit this other block, I was very, very happy to see it. It gave me enough confidence that price wants to go to the upside. And the reason why it gave me that kind of confidence is because I have been backtesting GU for a very, very long time. So I know so many things on GU that most people don't know. I don't know about other peers, because if I want to start trading other peers now, I would still have to backtest the things I know. I'll backtest it on those peers. But for now, I would prefer to just trade GU. And for GU itself, there are so many reactions that I know on GU, or there are so many movements I know on GU, especially the way the candles close. There are so many ways I understand GU like that. So me seeing this candle coming to the downside and reacting from it, this gave me an indication that price wants to go to the upside. It was a clear indication that price wants to go to the upside. So what I just did was drop down to the 15 minutes, look for reactions, look for places that I would want to take my trades from. It's not necessarily I just it's not necessarily that I know where price wants to go to and I just jump into it. No, I have to know some particular things that I have to do before entering a trade. I'm not perfect, because recently I just got out of a losing streak today. And because I know so many things about GU doesn't mean I wouldn't take a loss. You understand me? I know so many things about GU doesn't mean I wouldn't take a loss. I would take losses, but I know I all I just know is that my 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 strategy, or my model, it will come out positive at the end of the day. Even if it does not come out positive at the end of the month, but at least at the end of 2 months it will come out positive. And there are so many trades I missed this past few weeks, so many big trades that I missed that I would have taken, and this month would have ended positive. But regardless of the fact, the thing I know I did and I will praise myself for was because I managed my risk. I followed my plan. Even sometimes when I take trades, even if I take trades, I don't follow my plan at least few times. Even this past 3 weeks that I was having losing streak, I did not follow my plan to the T. You understand, guys? So I'm not perfect. That's what I just want to say. And trading does not need you to be perfect. Trading just needs you to be consistent and disciplined. It needs you to always show up. When you show up, you would see repeated patterns over time. You will see things that you are not supposed to be seeing. Because I know I've seen so many things, even so many things that they teach online, that the people they teach people, or I see on Twitter. These things I know them even before people start saying them. You understand? And me sef, I'm wondering why I'm not even profitable yet. But these things I know them before people start saying them. I know so many things before people start saying them. But most times when they say it, it gives me more clarification that okay, I'm seeing things in the market that I'm not supposed to be seeing. But I'm seeing them because I'm always back testing and checking, looking at the trade reviews every single day. So that's it, guys. I don't want to bore you with I don't want to bore you with this all these things I'm saying, because I can continue saying them from now till next tomorrow. So I hope this video has been very insightful for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Peace.